regression analysis. Regression analysis is the method that examines the linear relationship between two variables. It expresses the relationship between two variables in the form of an equation. Simple linear relations calculation using Excel. That's what we want to do today. But before we calculate this, we have to know the equation itself. The equation itself is like this: y equals mx plus b. Y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, and m is the slope coefficient. That means how much y changes in response to the change in x. B is the intercept, the value of y if x is 0. So how do you get this equation? Using Excel. So what you do here, you highlight this two variables, or to insert the scatter graph. This is the scatter graph. This is how you make it. Then what do, you click here. It gives you the trend. You have to have a trend line. This is a trend line. Some of them are close to the trend line, others are out of the trend line, but this is a trend line. That's how you do it. To get this equation, you bring your cursor here, then right click it, then you go to format trend line. Then it gives you this. It gives you this numbers here. Then down here there is a place called displayed equation on the chart. It gives here, you click it, click that, then the equation comes over here. You can remove the equation so you can see it properly. It is y equals 1.2147x minus 22, which is p, which we talked about, the intercept. So this is the equation you need to show the linear equation. So let's say the temperature is 80 here. So what will be, how many bottles do you sell? This is within these numbers. So let's say temperature is 80. Using this is the x, is 80, and m, we had m is 1.2147. So how do you calculate that? So you come over here using Excel, so you don't go out. So you put 80 times, you shift, bring that in there, then enter. This is 97. 1.2147 times 80 is equal 97.176 minus 22.593. Using Excel here again, equal sign. This is 97 minus 22, then enter, equals 74. So if the temperature is 80, then approximately you will sell 74 or 7,400 bottles of water if it is 80. So that means, you see that it would be 7,400 1,400 bottles. That's how you use this formula. You can do that within these numbers, and you see when it is 81, when it is 65, when it is 51 degrees, you can see how many bottles you are selling. That's the reason you have this equation. It gives you a forecast. If it is that, if you saw that, you can use also if the how many bottles you can sell when it is 100 degrees. If it is 100, it's 120 minus 22. You might get how many bottles you sell that particular day. So that's how you calculate simple linear regression analysis.